There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now.
There goes my mind erasing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now.
Follow the bride.
Paano kayo nag-meet ni Cindy, pre? Ha? Paano kayo nag-meet? Pero alam ko, hinanap na ako.
Kain lahat Walang kakain lang. Walang diet.
Bagyo!
Cindy, nakatayo ako sa harap mo, hindi bilang si Ji Chang-wook or si Yoon Bin, kundi si Hubert, ang iyong Prince Charming. Bago natin tahakin itong bagong kabanata ng ating buhay, I want to acknowledge una sa lahat ang ating Panginoon, ang ating mga magulang, ang ating mga kamag-anak at pamilya, at ating mga kaibigan. Thank you for being the foundation upon which our relationship was built. We carry your support with us as we start this new chapter of our life.
Every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I broken.
What's that?
Thank you, mahal!
It's a diamond cross.
At napakaganda ng sinabi ni Cindy sa akin. Because Hubert was not only chosen by her, Hubert is chosen by God for her. And so we are made to understand that our relationship is not only our decision. It is the fruit of our prayer and our relationship with God.
Alam kong matagal mo nang pinapangarap to, at pangako ko sa'yo, magiging masaya yung pagsasama natin. I love you forever.
Pakabait ka pa rin kahit nakasalat tayo. Huwag kang magbabago. Kasi yung ikaw, yun talaga yung minahal ko.
Magkatrabaho kami sa work nung una ko siyang nakilala.
Magkaaway kami sa work. Hindi kasi kami talaga magkasunduan sa mga lahat ng bagay.
Hindi ko alam, pero parang na-develop ako sa kanya.
Nung sinundan na niya ako sa Malaysia, doon nag-iba yung tingin ko.
Yun, sa iba, di ba, yung COVID ay masama. Pero sa akin parang naging parang naging naging stepping stone ko. Para lumakas yung loob ko. Sabi ko, mawawala ako. Di ko man lang nasabi sa kanya na gusto ko siya. Then, 2021, sinagot niya ako.
Yun yung pinaka-love story na. Short love story na. I'll start with my favorite sister-in-law, Gladys, my new sister-in-law. And for Nell, thank you for coming.
Sir Don, Harold, Melvin.
Yes!
Nakikita yung loob.
Minsan, nagugulat pa rin ako kung paano mo nabago ang buhay ko. You are my greatest teacher. Laging galit. My most patient listener. To the point na tayo na ang nag-aaway.
In all honesty, matagal kong inisip kung bakit ikaw. Kahit anong gawin kong pag-aanalisa, hindi ko mahanap ang sagot sa pag-uugali mo. Lalong-lalo na sa physical mong anyo. But now I know why you. You are the answer to all my prayer. I did not choose you, but God did.
I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. One step closer. One step closer.
Love is always self-offering. Para kay Hubert, ang tunay na pagmamahal ay nakabase kung marunong kang iuna at ilagay ang taong minamahal mo bago ang iyong sarili.
And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Mahal, God chose you not just as my husband, but as my forever answered prayer. Loving you is my privilege, accepting you is my commitment, and walking this life with you is my greatest blessing. Today, tomorrow, and all the days God allow us to share, ikaw at ikaw pa rin. I love you so much.